Hey YouTube, I have the hiccups right now, and there's a myth that supposedly pickle juice will cure your hiccups, and wait, let's make sure I didn't lose the hiccups. Wait a second.
Oh no, you haven't lost them. You need to drink it. Well, that's pickle juice. There you go.
Okay. Oh, this is probably gonna taste really bad.
It's pickle juice.
Oh, oh, that is disgusting. Oh.
A little bit, one more, and that will take your hiccups away.
Seriously?
Yeah, one more, just one more sip.
That tasted horrible.
Oh, you drink it all. He's a stud. You drink it all. Oh, that's gonna work. No more hiccups. I guarantee it. No more hiccups now.
That was disgusting.
No more hiccups.
Oh, that was disgusting.
It's the cure.
Have you ever tried it before?
Oh yeah, I've done it multiple times, many times.
Well, it's been about 30 seconds, so I think it actually worked.
I think it's good.
Hey, Izzy. And so that probably proves a myth that if you have the hiccups, drink pickle juice.
Takes it away.